Today our topic is Chapter 2 Operations on Rational Numbers. There are four fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In our previous class, we have done these operations on fractions and integers. Okay, now in class 7, we will study these operations on rational numbers. Our first operation is addition. We add the rational numbers. Okay, first we are taking the operation addition. How to add rational numbers? We will discuss there two cases. The first case, it is first case, when the rational numbers have the same denominator. For this, I am taking the one example from worksheet 1, question number 1. It is our first question of the worksheet 1, first part. In this, 2 by 7 and 5 by 7, these are the rational numbers and we are going to add these rational numbers. There is the operation addition. Okay, we are discussing the first case when the denominator is same. Here the denominator is same, 7 and 7 here. Okay, in all the parts the denominator is same. How to solve these questions? In this case, when the denominator is same, we will add the numerators. Denominator is same, that is common. Now we will add the numerators. 2 plus 5. It is 7 by 7. Now we will solve it by cancel with a common number. It will be cancelled by 7. 7 1 ja 7. 7 1 ja 7. Answer is 1. Now we are taking one more example. It is third part. It is third part of the first question. This rational is in the mixed form. Here the denominator is negative. Okay. First we will solve it. Mixed fraction will be changed into improper. 11 to the 22 and 3 25 by 11. Now when you will solve the denominator positive, numerator will be negative here. Plus minus 9 by 11, like this. Okay. Now since the denominator is same, we will add the numerators. 25 plus minus 9. We cannot solve two operations. Okay. Now we will solve and change into one operation. You know very well, when the different sign multiply, bracket means multiplication is here. When the different sign multiply, so negative sign will be there. Okay. And when the same sign multiply, then positive sign will be there. Remember this. Here different sign. So positive multiply negative is negative. 25 minus 9 by 11. Okay. So we will subtract 9 from 25. It will be 16 by 11. Now you can change it into the mixed fraction or leave as it is. This is our required answer. Now we will discuss the second case when the rational number have different denominator. In our previous case, we have discussed when the denominator is same. Okay, same denominator. We have solved these rationals on addition. Now we will add the rational number when the different denominator. Okay, so we are taking an example from the worksheet 1, question number 2. This is our question number 2. Find the values of. In these questions, these are the rational and we have to add operation with the rational numbers. Here the denominator is different. 9, 4. In all the parts of question number 2, the denominator is different. How to solve this type of question? We will solve by taking LCM. Question number second. First part, here denominator is different. So we will take LCM. LCM of 9 and 5 will be 36. When you will solve the LCM of 9 and 5, it will be 36. Okay, there is no common number that can divide, list number that can divide the board. So directly we will multiply 9 and 4, that is 36. Okay, now how to solve the addition? 36. 9 divide 36, answer is 4, and 4 multiply numerator. Directly you will do the calculation in your mind. Okay, we will divide LCM by the denominator and the quotient will multiply with the numerator. ओके 9 को आप इससे डिवाइड करेंगे एलसीएम और जो आपका क्वेश्चन आएगा उसको न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 9 डिवाइड दिस इज 4, 4 मल्टीप्लाई 4 इज 16 प्लस 36 divided by 4, answer is 9, and 9 multiply numerator, 9 7 ja 63. Okay, now when you will add it, this is 79 by 36. I think so. Is it clear to all? You can change into the mixed fraction also. Okay. Now I am taking one more example. Second, third part. 5 by 8 add with minus 3 by 5. We have to add these rational numbers with the different denominator. So first take the LCM of 8 and 5. 8 and 5 both are the different number. There is no common list number. When you will take the LCM like this, okay, so it will be 40. कितना आएगा 40. 40 is LCM. 8 divide 40, 5. 5 multiply 5 is 25. Okay, there is two sign plus minus. Okay, positive and negative when we multiply, हम two sign लेकर उसको solve नहीं करेंगे. जब आप उसको solve करने जाओगे तो take the one sign after solving. So positive multiply negative, sign is negative. Okay, and 5 divide 40 is 8 and 8 multiply 3 is 24. Now subtract 25, 24, that is 1. Okay, आपका जब एक पॉजिटिव नंबर होता है और एक नेगेटिव नंबर होता है तो सब्ट्रैक्शन होती है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे और साइन आपका बड़े नंबर का लगता है. दैट इज द 25 इज द ग्रेटर नंबर, इट इज पॉजिटिव, सो पॉजिटिव 1 आपका आंसर आएगा. 1 by 40 is our required answer. Now we are taking one more example, one more part of the question number second. Minus 7 by 64 plus 3 by minus 16. Now first we will convert into the positive denominator. Minus 7 by 64, जब आप इसको positive denominator में convert करेंगे, okay, so it will be minus 3 by 16. Put the bracket here. Now take LCM of 64 and 16. It will be 64. You can solve LCM 64, 16 easily you can do. Okay, by the least common number you will be divide 32, 8 like this. This is 16 and 4, 2, 8, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. Okay, see like this. Now LCM is 64. Divide 64, 64 is 1 and 1 multiply numerator minus 7 is minus 7. Okay, we will solve the sign, double sign आप solve करेंगे. Positive multiply negative number is negative sign there. And 16 multiply 64 is 4. And 4 4 multiply 3. 3, 4 multiply 3 is 12. Okay. Now same sign, जब आपके सेम साइन के नंबर को आप ऐड करोगे तो वो ऐड हो जाएंगे। ओके, जो डिफरेंट साइन के नंबर थे, एक पॉजिटिव नंबर एक नेगेटिव नंबर, तो वो सब्ट्रैक्ट होते हैं और सेम साइन के नंबर आपके ऐड हो जाते हैं। सो 12 ऐड होगा आपका -7 -12 एंड -7 विल बी -19। ओके, same sign will be add with the same sign up, and different sign will be subtract. Okay, it is -19/64 our required answer.